Okay, for those of you who took home homework task number 3, that's dividing by a decimal. This video should hopefully help you a little bit. Okay, so we're doing 2,400 divided by 1.5. As we discussed in class, it's probably not the easiest thing in the world to work out how many 1.5s go into something, and certainly not when the calculations get more difficult. So what we'll do is we'll make this into a whole number so that we've got something quite simple to work with. So let's just have a look at what we'll have to do to make that into a whole number. Obviously it's got one decimal place, so if we multiply it by 10, and that means we'll have to times them both by 10, remember, because what we do to one we have to do to the other. We'll end up with 15, and then this one will end up with 24,000. So now we've got to divide 24,000 by 15. So let's do our bus stop. 24,000, 15. Now look, we're dividing by a 2-digit number, so the first thing we'll do, once we've done that, is our 15 times table. 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remember, we only ever need to go up to 9 times anything to get this to work. Okay. So, how many 15s going to 2? That's none. How many 15s going to 24? Sorry, I should write 24,000 in there because that's the number there. How many 15s going to 24? Well, it's just the 1 with a remainder of 9. How many 15s going to 90? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 15s into 0, 0, and 15s into 0, 0. So our answer is 1,600. So 2,400 divided by 1.5 is 1,600. Now, as discussed in class, the reason that we don't have to divide by 10 now or times by 10 or do anything to the answer, because if you times one number by 10 and the other one by 10, if you divide them, it's going to be the same. So, for example, if you do 4 divided by 2, you'll obviously get 2. If you do 40 divided by 20, you'll get 2. If you do 400 divided by 200, you'll get 2. If you do 4,000 divided by 2,000, you'll get 2. Each time we've times both numbers by 10 and our answer has not changed. So as long as you just times each number by 10 and you make sure you do it to both of them, the answer will work perfectly. Okay, let's have a look at another example for when things get a bit trickier, and this is dividing a decimal number by a decimal number. Same as last time, let's have a look at how many decimal places there are and what we'll have to times it by in order to make it into a whole number to get our system to work nicely. So there's one decimal place on each number, so we'll just times them by 10. So really simple, 8418 now. Times that one by 10, and it gives you 24. So now we're dividing 8,418 by 24. 8,418 by 24. Let's write out our 24 times tables. 24, 48, 72, 96, 120, 144, 168, 192, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then another one of those, 216. Okay, so let's have a look at this one. 24s into 8, none. 8 remainder. How many 24s in 84? 1, 2, 3. This time a remainder of 12. How many 24s in 121? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The remainder of 1. Well, there's no 24s going into 18, so it looks like we're going to have a decimal remainder here, so we'll take our 18 over there. How many 24s into 180? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. With a remainder of 12. How many 24s in 180? Or 120, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there we are. No more remainders, so our decimal stops there. So 841.8 divided by 2.4 is 350.75. Hope that helps you out.